We all have come through CAPTCHA while using the internet. At times, this is fun to solve, but mostly CAPTCHA is annoying. Well, at least for me. What's your say about CAPTCHA? Even if you love filling them or not, do you know that you can make money by solving these annoying CAPTCHAs? You can turn it into a revenue model. Because there are businesses that are running only on computers. They can't solve CAPTCHAs, so here they need humans to do this CAPTCHA solving job. It won't be that annoying if I make some money by using CAPTCHA. This is actually possible. Let me explain to you how. So, I found one of the easiest ways to make money per minute by typing and solving these CAPTCHAs. You have to complete the very basic task. You don't require any technical education, not even some special skills. All you need is a laptop or mobile and the internet. Of course, you'll be needing basic free training that I will be providing in this video. Anyone can do it, and it's totally free. And this job is solving different types of easy CAPTCHAs, and you'll get paid up to $1 every minute. Now you might think this isn't real, and how can someone get paid by typing CAPTCHAs only? Yes, you can get paid by doing this very easy job, because there are platforms and websites that actually pay you for completing these CAPTCHA jobs. And there's not a single website. There are multiple websites that are ready to pay you for each correct CAPTCHA entry you'll be making. I will share some of the highest paying websites and how you can use them in this step-by-step video. And if you watch this video until the end, I will share a bonus tip that will exponentially increase your earnings. But before that, subscribe to my channel and make sure you don't miss exclusive and secret money-making methods that I share in the videos on my channel. And prior to sharing the details of the first website, let me address your concerns about this CAPTCHA industry and the business model, in case you're thinking if this is even real. And let me clarify your concepts about this job work. So, first of all, what is CAPTCHA? If you talk about the abbreviation, this is a completely automated public Turing test to tell computers and humans apart. This term was invented back in 2003 by 4 tech guys. Well, thanks to them. You must have seen little complex images to choose one from, or even asked to type the letters before you access any website. Well, this is a test, and this is for the purpose to verify whether you are a human being or a robot. Usually this is a visual, but now, like everything evolving in technology, the CAPTCHA has evolved as well into audio-based task. Only humans can solve it. But a computer or robot is unable to pass through the CAPTCHA, and that's the whole purpose of it: data protection and security. CAPTCHA in the real world is a lifesaver for websites, as it saves websites and social media accounts from unlimited attempts that hackers make using computer programs. This was the whole purpose of the CAPTCHA. Now comes the important question: why do these companies pay for solving CAPTCHAs? There are several situations where organizations need to instantly pass over the CAPTCHAs for their marketing or accounts creation task. One example is some company need a huge number of emails for promotion or marketing purposes, and when their product holders try to create accounts, the CAPTCHAs comes in between. So here, CAPTCHA solvers are needed to solve these CAPTCHAs within a very brief time. This was all the business model for these CAPTCHA companies that are gonna pay you dollars for each CAPTCHA you will solve. There are tens of them, but I have filtered some best paying that I'm gonna show you one by one. Here comes the first one, and that is CAPTCHA.com. This website is paying $1 for every 1,000 solved CAPTCHAs. First of all, you have to sign up on this website and create an account. Provide them with your real name and other credentials, or you can sign up with your Gmail or Facebook account. The signing up steps are similar on all the websites that we're gonna talk about today. And you can take payouts using WebMoney, Payer, Perfect Money, and AdsCash. Rates might not be enough for you, I know. There are more websites on my list that will pay much more than this. Stick around until you find the best rate for you. The next website on my list is megatypers.com. They will pay $1.5 for the same job as above. This one is credible and available worldwide. The third website, and the best one, is colotibablo.com. This website is the most stable one in the list, and you can check testimonials of different people's earning from different countries. Their pay rates for each CAPTCHA solved are better than the previous two websites. The fourth website on our list is moneyconnection.com. This website has many similar ways of earning money with your typing skills. The CAPTCHA solving jobs are available as well. Multiple jobs are available and their pay rates are better than the previous ones. These were all the websites on my list. The only downside of earning from CAPTCHA solving websites is that they won't pay you high enough. But, as they say, something is better than nothing, and you can always start a side hustle for income while making some bucks from these companies. Want to know how? Ask me in the comment section. And now, for those who are still watching this video, I'm gonna share my bonus tip with you that will definitely increase your CAPTCHA solving. All you have to do is install the extension called CAPTCHAs.io. This is a Google Chrome extension and it will automatically solve the CAPTCHAs. You only have to select the right image and refresh the page, and the CAPTCHA on your page will be solved. Not only this extension will speed up your work, but also you won't get bored and your daily income will increase as well. How was the bonus tip? And share with me if you feel like I missed anything in the video. This was all for today. Do like and share this video. Thanks for watching.